Hello and welcome back to this Black Panther ScratchJr game tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how I made this game. Now, got a couple of characters here. First of all, I've got Black Panther, where I've adapted the ScratchJr cat with the silver accessories, I suppose you call that. Pretty simple. We've also got Killmonger. There's the baddie one, which had the gold on in the movie. Now, what's happening here, Killmonger is knocking down, trying to hit Black Panther with rocks, and these rocks are here. And then a flower is going to appear, which is the special flower that powers up Black Panther to then confront Killmonger later on in another thing. We've got joypad here where we've got a left button, a right button, and a jump button. So let's take you through the code now. So we've got, first of all, we've got Black Panther, and essentially Black Panther will move as directed by the button. So you've got your colours received. So if we go to the orange, which is the left button, that sends an orange message. The red is the right movement, sends a red message. And then the purple is the jump message. So what that looks like is, here we've got the move left, because we've added the left motion block, the right motion block, and then the jump. Now, Killmonger is programmed to basically go up and down across the tree there, and wait at certain points and what have you. The rocks are individually coded, because what we want to happen is them to go down, then stop the stop block, because it will be rotating. So as Killmonger touches them, it will start the rotation and then fall to the ground. But once the rock hits the ground, we don't want to rotate anymore. So that's why that block there is the stop block, and it stops all the code for that character. There is one for each. There's the same code for each of the rocks. They are released in different times when Killmonger walks across and touches them. So please screenshot as I go along here. Now, the flower is hidden to start with, and then it appears, and it appears after 99/10 of a second, so it's just under 10 seconds. And then when it is touched, i.e. Black Panther jumps and touches it, it acts as this screen here. Now, in this screen here, you've got Black Panther's code there, which basically will increase in size like it's being powered up by the flower, and then say it's the king. The flower has no code, and Killmonger has no code. So it's only the king there. So this is what happens. It jumps up and touches it, and there we go. So let's go have another run through on this. Reset, full screen to start. Green flag, off they go. So the rock is touched. So we get Black Panther avoiding the blocks, or the rock, sorry. Killmonger's run out of blocks, he's jumping up and down angry. I jump up to get the flower. Black Panther powers up and tells Killmonger he's the king, and he's going to sort him out. Hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will get back to you. Have fun making it. See you next time. Bye.